Over the next 7 days, you'll experience the power of self-love in a way that can unlock the abundance you deserve. Each day, there's a simple, effective practice that fits effortlessly into any schedule. These small steps are designed to bring you closer to a life filled with love and possibility. This journey isn't about complicated routines, it's about accessible, meaningful actions anyone can follow. Let's begin, one day at a time, to build a foundation of self-love that invites abundance into your life. Day 1, Self-Reflection Exercise to connect with yourself. Today marks the beginning of a beautiful commitment to yourself. Day 1 is all about self-reflection, a simple, powerful way to connect deeply with who you are. In a world that often demands so much, it's easy to lose sight of the strengths and qualities that make you uniquely you. Today's practice helps you recognize those qualities, bringing your focus back to the value you bring to your life and the lives of others. Start by finding a quiet space, somewhere you feel comfortable and free from distractions. Take a few deep breaths to settle in, and allow yourself to be fully present. With a pen and paper or a journal, begin to write down the qualities you appreciate about yourself. It doesn't need to be anything grand or extraordinary. It can be as simple as being a good listener, showing kindness to others, or your ability to find joy in small things. This is a time to acknowledge what makes you, you. Think about your kindness, your resilience, or the way you make others feel heard. Think of your strengths, even if they seem ordinary. Often, these little things hold more value than we realize. Let yourself recognize and appreciate these aspects without judgment or comparison. Self-reflection isn't about perfection, it's about honesty. As you write, focus on your own experiences, moments that brought you joy, or times when you felt proud of yourself. Each quality you list is a reminder of the person you've grown to be and the potential that exists within you. Let this be an exercise in self-respect, a way to show yourself the kindness and patience you might readily offer others. Take your time with this. Don't rush. There's no need to fill the page or make it poetic, just let your thoughts flow naturally. If certain qualities feel difficult to recognize, give yourself the grace to pause and look deeper. Sometimes, our strengths are so woven into who we are that we overlook them, thinking they're simply part of normal life. But today, you're here to see them for what they truly are, gifts that add richness to your life. As you write, let go of any critical thoughts. This is not about what you lack or what you wish you could change, it's a moment to see yourself through a kind and gentle lens. Each word you put on the page is a small act of self-appreciation, a way to build a foundation of respect for yourself. Journaling allows you to capture these reflections and revisit them. It becomes a space where you can come back anytime, to remind yourself of the beauty you bring to the world. Every time you look back, you'll see the strength in your own words, affirming the value that's been within you all along. As you complete today's self-reflection, know that this is just the beginning. Today's exercise is a small but powerful step that sets the tone for the days ahead. Each word, each thought you've put into this practice, is a seed planted, ready to grow as you continue on this journey of self-love. Day 2, start your day with affirmations. Today's focus is on affirmations, a powerful tool for nurturing self-love and attracting abundance. As you start your day, take a few moments to ground yourself with words that reinforce your worth and potential. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that remind you of the truths you want to live by. They work by shifting your mindset toward positivity and confidence, especially when practiced consistently. Begin with affirmations like, I am worthy of love and prosperity, or, today, I welcome abundance into my life. These statements, when repeated with intention, become powerful messages that help reshape your inner dialogue. The mind absorbs what it hears, so by starting the day with words of self-love and abundance, you set a positive tone that can carry you forward. Repeat each affirmation slowly, allowing the words to sink in fully. If you can, say them out loud to give them extra strength. This practice doesn't take long, but its effects can be lasting. As you continue, notice how your thoughts gradually align more with the positive beliefs you are affirming. Each repetition builds a foundation of self-belief, gradually opening your mind and heart to greater possibilities. Day 3, Gratitude for what you have now. On day 3, gratitude takes the spotlight, a force that has a unique ability to shift your mindset towards abundance. Start your morning by thinking of 3 things you're grateful for. They can be anything: the warmth of the sun, a good night's sleep, or a kind conversation. Gratitude is about focusing on what's present, on what's already good in your life. Writing these down can make the feeling even stronger, as it helps reinforce the things that bring you joy and comfort. This small act centers your mind on the richness that already surrounds you. When you practice gratitude daily, you train yourself to look for the positives rather than focusing on what might be missing. Gratitude creates an inviting energy, drawing more of what you appreciate into your life. As you continue this practice, notice how it becomes easier to see the blessings around you, big and small. With each day, gratitude helps transform your perspective, subtly shifting your focus from lack to plenty and nurturing a mindset that welcomes abundance. Day 4, a simple self-love meditation. Today's focus is on taking a few quiet moments for self-love through meditation. This practice doesn't require anything complex, just a few minutes of your time to reconnect with yourself and nurture feelings of calm and compassion. Find a comfortable place to sit where you won't be interrupted. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and allow yourself to feel fully present. In this brief meditation, the goal is to set aside all outside thoughts and simply center your mind. Begin by focusing on your breath, allowing each inhale and exhale to guide you toward a place of inner peace. As you breathe, gently bring to mind words of kindness toward yourself, such as, "I am enough just as I am," or "I deserve peace." Let these words flow through you, bringing warmth and calm. This small practice may only take a few minutes, but it's a powerful way to ground yourself, clearing space in your mind and heart for self-acceptance and positivity. Self-love meditation is about connecting with a deeper sense of self-appreciation. It's about taking a moment to pause and simply be with yourself, as you are, without judgment. These few minutes can create a calm center, helping you approach the day with a greater sense of ease and self-compassion. Day 5, Acts of kindness for yourself. Today, the focus is on kindness, toward yourself. While it's often easy to show kindness to others, it's just as important to extend this care to yourself. Today, allow yourself to do something small but meaningful for your own well-being. This can be as simple as taking a short break when you need it, enjoying a favorite activity, or treating yourself with gentleness and understanding. Think of these acts of kindness as gifts you're giving to yourself, a way of saying, "I am worth this time and care." Treating yourself well sends a powerful message to the universe that you are open to receiving goodness, abundance, and joy. Each small act of kindness strengthens the connection you have with yourself, building a foundation of trust and respect. When you show yourself this kindness, you create a nurturing space where abundance can grow. These moments of self-care don't have to be extravagant or time-consuming, they are simply about honoring yourself in small but meaningful ways. By prioritizing your own well-being, you align yourself with the belief that you are worthy of good things, that you are deserving of love and prosperity. Day 6, Visualizing the abundant life you deserve. Today's focus is on visualization, a powerful way to connect with the life you wish to create. Start by finding a quiet, comfortable place to sit, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Begin to bring to mind the life you dream of, filled with everything you desire. See this life clearly in your mind, as if it's happening right now. Notice the details, where you are, how you feel, the people around you, and the experiences that bring you joy and fulfillment. As you hold this vision, allow yourself to feel the emotions connected to it. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the peace that comes with living a life of abundance. Let these feelings flow through you, as if they are already yours. Visualization is more than just seeing, it's feeling the reality you want to attract, giving your mind and heart a clear sense of what's possible. To make this vision even more vivid, consider creating a vision board with images, words, and symbols that reflect your dreams. Or, take some time to journal about your ideal life, describing it as if you're already living it. These practices are powerful ways to keep your focus on abundance, reinforcing your belief in what you can achieve. With each visualization, you strengthen your connection to the life you deserve, aligning your energy with the possibilities ahead. Day 7. Setting clear intentions for the future. On this final day, the focus is on setting intentions, simple, clear goals that define what you want to experience more of in your life. Intentions are like seeds that, with time and care, grow into something beautiful. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly want moving forward. This might be greater peace, more love, a fulfilling career, or simply more happiness in your everyday life. Whatever it is, let it come from a place of genuine desire and self-respect. Set 1 or 2 specific intentions that feel meaningful to you. For example, I am open to new opportunities that bring abundance, or I am committed to nurturing myself with kindness and care. These intentions should be clear, positive, and focused on what you want to welcome into your life. Write them down and place them somewhere you can see them often, as a reminder of the path you're creating. As you hold these intentions close, know that each day, you are taking small steps toward a more abundant life. These intentions are not just wishes, they are commitments to yourself, a signal to the universe of the life you are ready to live. With each positive action, you are nurturing these seeds, allowing them to grow and expand into the abundance you seek. Now that you've experienced each of these practices, consider how they can come together in a simple, daily routine. Each practice, whether it's affirming your worth, taking a moment for gratitude, or visualizing your goals, can be woven into a few short minutes each day. Even setting aside a small window each morning or evening can be enough to keep these habits alive. Think of it as a way to set a positive tone for your day, grounding yourself in self-love and a mindset of abundance. These small actions don't require much time, but their impact grows over days, weeks, and months. The effects compound, adding up to a sense of peace, confidence, and openness to all the good things life has to offer. Every small step you take reinforces the commitment to yourself. These are habits of love and belief that bring real, lasting change, not through major efforts, but through gentle, consistent care for yourself. Let this daily routine be a reminder that each day is an opportunity to nurture a life filled with abundance and joy. This week marks the beginning of a powerful new mindset, one rooted in self-love and ready to welcome abundance. Reflect on the changes you've experienced, however small, and know that these practices can continue to grow with you, one day at a time. Keep nurturing them as you move forward, and let them guide you toward the life you deserve. If this week has inspired you, like this video and subscribe for more content to support you on your path to self-love and abundance.